Hello friends! Welcome to Mom and Me Fun Factory!
Today we will see space vehicles. Space vehicles go high up into space. Space is big and amazing. This is a rocket. Rocket flies very high. Rocket goes whoosh whoosh.
Yay!
This is a space shuttle. Space shuttle carries astronauts. Space shuttle goes zoom zoom.
Yay!
This is a lunar rover. Lunar rover moves on the moon. Lunar rover goes slow slow.
Yay!
This is a satellite. Satellite floats in space. Satellite watches the Earth.
Yay!
This is a UFO. UFO can fly fast. UFO is mysterious.
Yay!
Space vehicles are amazing. They help us explore space. Let us see the space vehicles again. Rocket, space shuttle, lunar rover, satellite, UFO. Let us clap for space vehicles. Clap, clap, clap.
Learning is fun! Thank you for watching! See you again at Mom and Me Fun Factory!